Welcome, my name is Zach Koka with Minarik Drives. First, I'd like to congratulate you on your purchase of the DC30-1224-4Q. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to wire up the drive so that you'll be ready to use it. The first thing you want to do is put the male terminal block into the one on the drive. Next, we'll wire up the speed pot. Now the speed pot is the only thing required to have the drive run. The switches are all optional. They're only used if you want to use inhibit and direction. The first thing you want to connect is the +5 into pin 1. The wiper of the pot into pin 2. And the common lead into pin 3, like so. Make sure they're all tight. The next thing we'll wire up is the reverse inhibit. The reverse inhibit will go into pins 10 and 9. The forward inhibit will go into the pins 8 and 7. Next, we'll wire up direction. Direction will go into pin 5, the first lead. The second lead will go into pin 6, but that shares a lead with enable. So we'll wire that last. Like so. Next, we'll connect the two motor leads to A1 and A2. These are the top two terminals hanging off the side of the drive. Next, we'll connect the positive part of the battery to the third terminal. And next, we'll connect the negative. Now, when you connect the negative, you'll get a quick spark, and then power to the drive. Now that we've visually inspected the drive, it's good to go over a quick test procedure to make sure everything is wired correctly. So first, we'll turn the speed pot to get some motion in the motor. Then we'll test the direction switch to make sure the drive reverses instantly. Then we'll try the enable. Then the reverse inhibit and the forward inhibit. Thank you for watching this wiring demonstration brought to you by Minarik Drives. If you have any further questions, please feel free to visit us at www.minarikdrives.com or call one of our application engineers at 815-624-6950.